Jina langu ni Francis Kimemia, Governor Nyandarua County, na tumekuja kufanya climax ama kusherehekea mwisho wa kuandikisha wananchi wa Nyandarua County, county ambayo uandikishaji wa NHIF umekuwa kwa hali ya chini sana, lakini nitoe shukrani kwa sababu wananchi wetu wamesikiza wito na wametokea kwa wingi sana. Wale ambao wamejiandikisha ni wananchi wengi sana. Target yetu ilikuwa ni watu 36,500, lakini tayari wale ambao wametokea ni zaidi ya 53,000. Kwa hivyo labda mwisho tukimaliza hii exercise ya leo tutakuwa tumefikisha labda 54,054. Kwa hivyo nitoa shukrani kwa wananchi wa Nyandarua County. Naulize huu ni wakati mzuri kukubali kujiandikisha kwa NHIF, na ili tuweze kuendelea mbele kuona kwamba wananchi wetu hawapati shida wakati wamepata ugonjwa kidogo kidogo ama ugonjwa kubwa. Unaweza kutibua kwa hali ya haraka, na harambee zitakuwa zimeenda chini. Imekuwa kila wakati ni harambee. So kwa hivi sasa ukijiandikisha na hiyo kandi, na unaweza kuwa unatoa shilingi 17 kila siku ama 500 kila mwezi, na tayari familia yako yote imekuwa covered kwa hiyo pesa ina hiyo. Kwa hivyo ni unaweza kuifanya iwe rahisi, either shilingi 17 kila siku ama 500 kila mwezi, na umekuwa covered. Mambo mengi itakuwa umetetea familia yako kwa mambo ya maradhi ya ugonjwa. Ningependa kutoa shukrani kubwa kwa NHIF na pia waziri wetu Mutahi na pia Rais Uhuru Kenyatta, ambaye hii ni Uhuru Care kama ile Obamacare. Kwa hivyo ningependa kuuliza Rais pia kama angeweza kufanya restructuring zaidi. Najua amefanya mzuri katika NHIF na pia pale KEMSA kutengeneza hizo bodies mbili. Najua COG sasa tuko represented katika hizo institutions mbili vile tuliuliza. Naongea kama chairman wa broker ya Mount Kenya na pia chairman wa kamati na pia ni member wa kamati ya health katika COG, na tumeona mambo mazuri ambayo imeanza kuingia katika NHIF hata kuja mashinani sasa. CEO Peter, the future is the counties. Lete NHIF hapa mashinani, mkitaka tuwapatie shamba mjenge, kujeni ili tuweze kuendelea mbele, na hiyo ndio itakuwa imesaidia. Kwa ningependa kuuliza Rais kama wangefikiria mambo ya NHIF kuipatia more capacity, waweze kuja kufundisha watu hapa, hata kutusaidia wanapo tunajenga mahospitali kama hii JM complex, hii Mashujaa complex tunajenga. NHIF kipata pesa wakati wa reforms ambazo zinafanywa, wawe na capitation, pesa inaweza kupitishwa kwa NHIF, waweze kusaidia counties ambazo bado ziko nyuma kwa mambo ya hospitali kama Nyandarua County. If it can be kama England, kama financial institution, any other financial institution, because it is an insurance for institution. So the principles of management and governance should be on good corporate governance principles, preferably as a financial institution, even if it retains the public character as a public entity, still operating within the PMF Act. Itakuwa imesaidia sana kuona kwamba NHIF imekuwa restructured. It is not tied to bureaucracy, to government bureaucracy, but is able to efficiently deliver services to the people. Number two, I would like to request also the President, if it is possible, those who commit crimes within the healthcare system, those who inflate costs within the insurance industry of the NHIF, if those could be converted into economic crimes, so the fines are very heavy. Anybody who tries to forge or to lodge in fraudulent or exaggerated claims, how do you wanaangusha hii nchi? These will be crimes against the national interest, and they should be charged under the Economic Crimes Act, or we should enhance the crimes within the NHIF Act, which is being reviewed, so that we make sure that it doesn't collapse. We don't start the Uhuru Care system just similar to the Obamacare system, and then it is sabotaged by those who bring in fictitious claims and who sabotage anything good that is started in this country. So we'd like to applaud the President. We will support him as governors to make sure that the universal healthcare operates in this county and in this country with other colleague governors whom we work with, and we want to welcome him to share with us, help the counties that are a bit marginalized, like Nyandarua County, and so that we can be able to proceed well, and also look at the issue of affordability. Is the other issue I wanted to end up with. The issue of affordability of healthcare in this country is too expensive. I think that we need to have some health intelligence system to find out how come you have an accident. This happened to one of our youth in Manjohi. You have an accident, the one that was in Lari, son of our chief. He died within about 2 hours. By the time they went for the bill in one of the private hospitals here, it was heading to 300,000 shillings. This person did not even go to ICU, but you find very funny, very fictitious, medical claims that are being lodged on our people. It is almost a crime to get sick in this country now. It's almost becoming a crime to be sick. If you are sick, you don't know whether you ever come out alive. That's why we want to support this system. But there are also those who are sabotaging by inflating the cost of healthcare, whether private doctors or public hospitals or private hospitals. We want to see more reasonability and more logic, better logic, and also concerns for the poor people in this country as we manage health. Health is everything. Health is productivity. Health is security. Health is life. Hakuna kitu ingine. Uhai, kutoka kwa uhai ni Mungu tu. Kama uhai hatuangalii, wananchi wetu watakuwa wameisha. Kwa hivyo nitoa shukrani kubwa sana kwa hiyo kazi mzuri ambayo imefanywa na NHIF.
I would like to say special thanks to His Excellency the Governor for the leadership in this county, as he has explained that the target of biometric registrations that we have surpassed it by almost 100%, from 36,000 to about 54,000. And this just shows that through that leadership that the people of Nyandarua County do understand the importance of being registered under NHIF. Ladies and gentlemen, NHIF currently is undergoing this digital transformation, and that is why we are ensuring that we have biometric registration of all Kenyans and all members of NHIF. Today we are here in Nyandarua County winding up the process of mass biometric registration across the whole country. This process started 30th October last year and was launched by His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya as part of the scale-up for universal health coverage, which is one of the big four agenda of His Excellency. And with UHC, the target is to ensure that every Kenyan has access to the healthcare that they need without suffering financial hardship. And the way we will be able to achieve this is through NHIF as the vehicle, through an insurance system whereby every Kenyan is covered. The principle of insurance is that taking care of the unexpected occurrence. So that little premium, as His Excellency the Governor has mentioned, of 500 shillings per month for the whole family, is able to cater for a whole raft of benefits. And that is what we're encouraging, that every Kenyan enrolls as a member. We are in the process of amending the NHIF Act, and to ensure that that happens, that every Kenyan above the age of 18 enrolls. We do understand that those people who would not be able to afford even basic necessities of life. And that is why we are pushing for every Kenyan who can pay should pay, and every Kenyan who cannot pay to be identified and supported. And in the county of Nyandarua is the first 20% that is supported through national government with the help of the Ministry of Health and also the county government. Of the 14,000 initial indigents who will be supported by national government, as well as a matching number by the county government, to ensure that the vulnerable, the indigents in this county are all covered, so that we can have a state of universal health coverage whereby every member, every household in Nyandarua has access to that high quality care. As His Excellency also mentioned earlier, that as we move through the process of scaling up for universal health coverage, it is important that the service that is provided to the people is also of good quality and it is also affordable. And it is for that reason that even the fines that have been amended within the new act, is that it will be a lot more punitive for people who defraud the fund, who commit fraud against the fund in order to gain unlawfully at the expense of our fellow Kenyans. While at the same time to ensure that every member is enrolled, we have reduced the penalties for members who, when they default, and as we have seen during these COVID times, been economic hardship, So we've proposed also in the bill that the penalties are also markedly reduced so that we encourage as many members to be able to join the scheme, and also at the same time to be a deterrent for people who want to defraud and use the people's funds unscrupulously.
Tuko hapa leo for purposes of this exercise of biometric registration ya NHIF that will help to connect our people to the universal health coverage. Na tuko hapa leo, Governor, I think our Gatimo here, we have a population of around 32,000 people, citizens. Na doing simple maths, if one homestead has around 5 people, then we have slightly above 10,000 homesteads. And so tukiangalia hesabu yote, we want to ensure that we have covered a very huge number of households that are in this place. Going further, Oljorlok has a population of close to 100,000. The same thing, doing the same equation. I think tutajaribu each and every day to mobilize our people so that they can register to this particular exercise. And I know your county has a population of more than 600,000 people. And giving the same mathematics, I think is something that tutaendelea moja kwa moja kumobilize watu wetu wa register kwa hii scheme ya National Hospital Insurance Fund with the flagship, with the leadership of our governor here, with the leadership of our Ministry of Health, the National Hospital Insurance Fund, and overall the President, who has guided us so much in doing this particular issue.